Very warm welcome to all of you from the Olympiad Success family. I'm Aarti and I will be your host for today. So Namikesh is saying, sir, okay, sir, your voice is a bit unclear. All right, Namikesh, so he was just mentioning about the session being recorded and we are going live on Facebook as well. Okay. And so students, today we are here for a demo and introduction program for Vedic mathematics, and it is for students of grade 7th till 10th, right? And during this session, first of all, we would be having an introduction by our mentor Supriya ma'am. Then there would be a presentation by Rajan sir. After that, I will be taking you through the tour of the platform. Post that, we will be having a short question and answer round, and after the question and answer round, we will be starting with the demo round for which you all are here, right? So my question to all of you is that how many of you have known Olympiad Success already? Okay. So your original name is Nirupama. Okay, Nirupama. So you can change your name so that we call you by that name only, otherwise we'll forget. And what about others? So I think so everyone is new then, apart from Nirupama, new to Olympiad Success family. Is it? Come on, this is Vedic mathematics class, and your mentor would be asking a lot of questions to you. She would be giving, and I would request all of you to bring in your notebook, because you have to solve the questions as well. So you have the notebooks with you, right? A pen and paper. Okay, so many students are saying they are new to the platform. All right, so I'll just give you a brief about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad examinations. And Vedic mathematics, although it is not linked with Olympiad examinations, but we do believe it is an essential, skill building subject which one should study, one should understand, because it would be helpful for your future competitive examinations as well. Because time is that important factor in all the competitive examinations, and with which you can attempt all the questions, right? If you solve the questions quickly, you would be able to attempt the questions really fast. So at Olympiad Success, we have these live classes. We have which we had started 3 years back. So this is our 3rd year running, and we have been successfully running these classes. So we conduct Olympiad classes for math, science, English, and logical reasoning. And we have skill building classes as well, which includes communication, and it has both spoken and written, Vedic mathematics and coding, right? So I, once again, welcome all of you on the platform, and I hope you enjoy today's session. So I'll ask Supriya ma'am to introduce herself. So she has been associated with Olympiad Success for quite a while now, and she is a wonderful mentor. She would be asking you many questions. So be ready with to answer all those questions, right? So over to you, Supriya ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Hello, how are you all? Everyone is sitting so serious. By listening mathematics, will you feel? Ma'am, fine. What about you? I'm also fine, dear. Please smile. Please turn on your videos. I can see your lovely faces, right? Let's see who is going to turn on your videos. Only 3. How about others? Wow, very nice. Very good. Okay, my name is Supriya. I'm your mentor for the day. I started my career as a software engineer. Later, I shifted my career towards teaching. You can ask me why. Because this is the only profession where you will get lots of love and respect from your parents and also students if you're a good teacher, right? If you're a bad teacher, obviously you will get lots of scoldings, all those things. Correct? Okay. So Vedic Maths, personally, it helped me a lot. It boosts my concentration level, and also it keeps me very energetic while solving mathematics problems. Okay. Okay, fine. And you have lots and lots of benefits while like after learning Vedic Maths. It helps you to increase your calculation speed. And if your calculation speed is increased, then you can perform well in your competitive exams. right? So I don't want to waste much time. We'll start Vedic Maths fast. I'm going to teach you so many tricks today also. Okay. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much, Supriya ma'am. It's a pleasure to have you on the platform, and I'm sure the students are ready with the pen and paper. But before that, students, we would be having a short detail about this course, and then we can take the demo part, right? So over to you, Rajan sir, for a brief presentation.
Yes, sure, ma'am. So my screen is visible?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Okay, so welcome students to the demo of Vedic Maths class 7 to 10. So let me tell you about us, about Olympiad Success. So Olympiad Success is India's largest online preparation platform for Olympiad exam. We have Olympiad live classes, and this is our third year in live classes. Students, we also have School Plus program. In School Plus program, we offer 8 courses that are mathematics, English, science, logical reasoning, communication spoken and written both, Vedic Maths as well as coding. What else? Students, we also offer online CBSE plus Olympiad classes for grade 6 to 10 and one-on-one preparation classes for International Mathematics Olympiad like SESMO, CMO, HKIMO, TIMO, Math Count, US Math Competition, Math Kangaroo, PRMO, and also JMIN preparation classes. Meet the rank holder for session 21-22. So in Olympiad Success, many students got international rank 1. Now, students, about this course, so let's understand what is Vedic Maths. So Vedic Maths is an interesting ancient Indian system which was introduced for making very fast calculation. You will learn to solve the questions very quickly without committing any mistake, become creative in terms of solving the problem, and also eliminate the need of calculator from day-to-day life. Okay. Now, this is the detailed view structure, like what are the topics we are going to cover in this course. Basic introduction of Vedic Maths, multiplication with 125 and number from 21, 31, 41, 91, base method, sub-base method, division, percentage, fraction, square and square root, and many more. Okay. Now, students in this course, there will be around 20 to 25 students, and classes will be conducted on Zoom platform only. So there will be 2 sessions per week. The days will be Thursday and Saturday, and the timing is 5 p.m. to 6:15 p.m. So the class duration is 75 minutes, and there will be a break of 5 minutes in between. And there will be total number of sessions, 30 sessions there will be. Okay. The syllabus link I will share with you in the chat box. Now the fees for this course is 7,430. And the course fee include online classes, and you will also get reading material and exercises. Payment link I will share with you in the chat box. So to join this course, what you need a laptop with good internet speed and headphone. And students, you will be required to spend at least an hour every day to make your calculation really fast. And parent support will be needed to check answers and repeat concepts. So the live classes for this course will start from 11th June. And currently we have students from 3,800 schools, and we are catering in 35 plus countries. So this is about this course, students. Now Aarti ma'am will give you a tour to the Olympiad Success Dashboard. And after that, if you have any query, any doubt, you can ask us in the chat box. Okay. So over to you, Aarti ma'am.
Thank you so much, Rajan sir, for a detailed presentation. Now I'll share my screen for the tour of the platform. So students, like what you have to do once you enroll for this course, you have to log in here, which is olympiadsuccess.com/login. Enter your credentials, that is your email and password, and click on the sign in button. So once you click on the sign in button, you would be redirected to the profile page. On the profile page, you have to complete your profile. In case if it is incomplete, you won't be able to move to other sections on the dashboard. So now we would be discussing about the reading material, which Rajan sir had mentioned. So you have to click on live classes written over here. So on the main page, you can see the subject. All right. You have to click on that, and under the subject list, all the subjects for which you have subscribed, the entire list would be coming. Okay. Since this is Vedic Mathematics, I'll click on that. And I'll select the topic. So all the topics are mentioned over here. I'll click on, let's say, quick addition. So we have the reading material, practice questions and answer keys. I'll click on reading material. A PDF will open up, and in PDF, everything related to addition would be given. Okay, so the topic would be covered in this PDF. After that, there are practice questions in the practice question PDF given over here. Okay, so you have to practice, but then make sure you don't use calculators. Okay, and finally we have the answer keys. Okay, so you can either match your answers from the calculators, or we have given the answer keys to you, so you have to match your answers with the answer keys, right? So the main purpose is like for you is not to use the calculators, right? You have to increase your speed, you have to understand the concepts, you have to understand, right? And this is an advanced course because this is for students of grade 7 till 10th. We have courses like basic course for students of grades 3 to 4, and then advanced course 5 to 6, and then we have the intermediate course for 5 and 6, and then the advanced course for 7 to 10. So I hope you would be knowing some basic knowledge about Vedic mathematics, right? And then once you click on the schedule button, you get to see a detailed structured view what would be taken session wise, right? So in session 1 there would be quick addition, session 2 again addition, 3 subtraction. So here kids, if you see that after every topic or two we have a test, right? So we do conduct tests also after every topic is completed, and we make sure to complete the topic, like complete the entire course in less number of sessions as mentioned. So there are 30 sessions in this course, so we would be completing the course in 26 sessions, and then the remaining sessions would be for your practice and would be for doubt solving and whatever questions you come up with. So we make sure that you understand everything, so all your concepts are really strong. Okay, so we have defined the entire course very nicely in a structured manner. If you check the syllabus also, so all the topics have been defined into various sections. And then we have the holiday calendar. So if you see here, the dates would be listed. So on all these dates, these classes will not be conducted. And finally, the Zoom meeting ID and password. So the meeting ID and password, using this, you can join the live classes, right? So this is about the platform. This is about like how to access the content. And now I am stopping the screen share. So now if you have any doubts, queries, you can write it down in the chat section and we would be happy to answer all your queries. Any doubts coming in, kids? Ayaman says no. And what about others?
What is the difference between abacus and Vedic Maths?
The first basic difference is in abacus you use a tool, and in Vedic mathematics you have to use, like, it's kind of more of mental mathematics which you are doing, right? So in abacus you have to, so there is a tool wherein you have to do all the calculations and all. So in Vedic mathematics the rules are different, so you have to learn those like the tips and tricks. So basically we have vertical crosswise method. So this is what is coming to my mind, the first thing. So vertical crosswise method, and there are many other methods which you are going to learn in Vedic mathematics. So these are the few differences. And Supriya ma'am, if you would want to add more to this, like if there are any more differences between Vedic mathematics and abacus.
Abacus is age related. Like if you're in 10th standard, it is very difficult to learn from basic, right? So if in abacus you will start from 2 plus 2, 3 plus 4, all such things. But in Vedic maths, it is not like that. Anyone can learn if you have interest in mathematics. That is a major difference.
So Armandeep, we are here for many examples for Vedic mathematics. So just let the demo begin, and you would be getting many questions. Okay, many examples for Vedic mathematics.
Ma'am, so this course will include square, cube, root, etc. Which
Yes,
I think it will.
Yes. And maybe Rajan sir, if you can share the syllabus link once again in the chat section, so for the students to check like what all would be covered. So students, you can just have a look at the syllabus link which Rajan sir is sharing. So since as mentioned earlier also, this is an advanced course, so almost everything would be covered in this, right?
Okay, so any other student have any other doubt? Okay, let me ask one question. So students, can anyone tell me like what are the dates and timing for the classes? Artima, my voice is low or is it clear?
It is
It is
clear.
clear. It is clear.
Okay, okay. Yes, Thursday, Saturday, 5 to 6:15. So it is 5 to 6:15 p.m. Okay, yes, it is days and times are clear. Now, who's going to tell me like in how many months this course is going to end? Yes, the question is like in how many months this course is going to be end. So you need to tell me 3, 4 months. Okay, 4 months. Is it a correct answer or 4 months some days? You can do the calculation. 10 months. No, 10 months is not correct. 9876, 3.5. Okay, no, no, no. So like there will be 30 sessions, total 30 sessions are there, and there will be 2 classes in a week. So there will be 8 classes in a month. So there will be like the days month will be 4 months and 2 days. Okay, 8 classes per month, total 30 sessions. Okay. Okay, I think Artiman, we can begin with the session now.
Absolutely, yeah. So over to
Yes.
Supriya ma'am for a very interactive session today. So students, are you all ready? Give me a thumbs up. All of you ready? Okay, so Aryaman is saying yes. And what about others? Okay, so I can see many thumbs up coming in. Great. There is one question from Garvit. So what will happen if I will not be able to join any of the classes? Yes, the recordings are available. Okay, for every class, the recordings will be available, but we do recommend not to miss any of the classes because learning from a group, like learning from a live class and through your fellow classmates, it's always better than learning from a recorded session. Okay, so but then we would be certainly providing you with the recordings. So over to you, Supriya ma'am, to start with the session now.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you. Is everyone ready with pen and paper? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, let me share my screen and let me know if you're able to see it. Is my screen visible?
Yes, ma'am, it is visible.
Yeah, thank you so much. Okay, so we'll start with Vedic Maths. So before starting Vedic Maths, I want to ask you the same question. How many of you know what is Vedic Maths? I want this session to be interactive. Please use the chat box. Please answer the questions which I'm asking so that it is very easy for me to teach, right? What happened, Armandeep? I can see some kind of face on your screen. Ancient technique of solving maths. Okay, very good. Fine. So Vedic Maths, as everyone will tell you, it is a tool which helps you to solve mathematical problems in lesser time. Correct? So Vedic Maths is what? It is a methodology of fast calculations. It is having so many sutras in it. Basically, sutras is nothing but formulas. I hope you know what is the meaning of formulas, right? By using the formulas, for example, if I can give a plus b whole cube or a plus b whole square, right? So if you see that kind of problem, you start solving using the formula because it is very easy, right? In the same way, you have some Vedic formulas in by to solve mathematical problems. Okay, so we have one person behind this. You know who is that person? His name is Bharati Krishna Tirthaji. He is the father of Vedic Maths. He gave us 13 subsutras and 16 sutras. Subsutras are nothing but subformulas. Sutras are nothing but formulas. He gave us 16 sutras, 16 formulas and 13 subformulas. By using that, we can solve. He has covered many fields like arithmetic, algebra, geometry, trigonometry, physics, spherical geometry, conics, calculus. Okay, these all the things you will be understanding when you are going to your higher classes. So he has covered so many things in it. So if you understand the 16 sutras and 13 subsutras in depth, you are able to solve any kind of mathematical problem within seconds. Okay, before telling, and I already told you what are the benefits of Vedic Maths, right? Very important thing is it helps in reducing your silly mistakes. Okay, so when you take, for example, if I give you some 10-digit addition, and if you take some 5 minutes to solve it, by using this Vedic Maths, you can solve within 2 minutes or within some seconds if you practice it well. Okay, and it also helps in intelligent guessing. So if I look at some problem, I start thinking in my Vedic Maths sutras, right? So after learning Vedic Maths, you have to be in a position that you have to start using this Vedic Maths tricks in all the problems which you start solving. Okay, so before starting the actual session, I want to test each and everyone over here. Can you please solve these questions within 30 seconds? Is it possible? Start solving. Let's see how many problems you are able to solve. I want everyone to participate in this. Is my voice clear? Because many of you have not turned on your video. I don't know whether you are sleeping, whether you're eating something, or whether you are listening to me. Okay, thank you, Sanskriti. Please solve it. Let's see who is going to solve first. Okay, yeah. So your 30 seconds is over, I think, right? Is there anyone who is able to solve this within 30 seconds? No, right? But while, like, if you learn this Vedic Maths, you're able to solve it within 30 seconds of your time. Only the first part. Okay, very good. Second one. Okay. Let us cross-check the answers at the end of the session. So before, like after that, first let me teach you one important trick. Okay. Guys, is it possible for at least 10 of you to turn on your videos? So I can see your faces and teach, right? Or else it will be like I'm teaching to some wall. Okay, let me start. So I'm going to teach you the first important trick as, just a minute, wait. Multiplication of a number with 125. Okay, this is the first trick I'm going to teach you. So let me tell you how to do this. Okay, fine. Yeah. I want everyone to concentrate. Please don't write anything. I'll give you time to copy. Okay. So let me take one example. So 568 into 125. So how can you please solve this and tell me the answer? Let's see how much time will you take by using the normal method. One, two, four, triple zero. Good. Others. Any other answers? But others, your answer is wrong. Attempt. You have attempted. Very good. 7, 10. Very good. Okay, fine. I hope some of you know the technique. Let's see. Yeah, Sai Samyukta, yes, dear, correct. See, just have a look. What you have to do was, first, see 125, I can write this 125 as 1, 2, 5, right? This I can write as 1000 by 8. If I divide this 1000 by 8, I'll get 125. Yes or no? Many of you don't know 125 table. Yes or no? But everyone know this 1000 table, right? 1000 ones are 1000, 1000 twos are 2000. Yes or no? So it is easy for me to multiply with 1000 rather than multiplying with 125. So what I'm doing, wherever I find this 125, I'm just replacing this with 1000 by 8. How I am doing? See, I'm just writing 568 over here. Okay, I'm writing this 125 as 1000 by 8. Okay, now what I'm doing? You just have a look what I'm doing. See, I'm just multiplying 568 into 1000. I know for if I multiply 568 into 1000, I'll get 568 followed by 3 zeros. Yes or no? So I'm writing 5, 6, 8 followed by 3 zeros divided by 8. I hope everyone know 8 ones are table, right? So if you divide this number by 8, you're going to get how much? 8 sevens are how much? So you are going to get 7, right? 1, 000, right? 7, 1, 000, correct? Is this clear? Yes or no? Thank you, Amit. Yeah. So 7, 1, 000. This is how we are going to multiply any number by 125. Okay. Is this clear? Any doubts or anyone wants me to explain it again? How do you know that you should put 1000 by 8, right? See dear, we always, once you understand what is Vedic maths, you always start thinking in an easy way. Okay. So it is difficult for me to multiply 125 with some number, right? So what I'll start, I know this 1000 ones are table, it is very easy for me, right? So what I'll start dividing this 1000 by some numbers in order to get this number. Okay. So does this how you will get this 1000 by 8. Okay. Can you tell me what is the number you can write for 25 in the same way? 25 can be written as 100 by 4. Very good. Even you people have started thinking like me. Awesome. So how you are going to write 5? How you are going to write 5? 10 by 2. Ah, very nice, Anushka. Good, Sanskriti. So this is how you are going to multiply a number with 25 and 5. Is this clear? Or any doubts? Clear? Okay. One doubt. Yeah, Garve, tell me. What will happen if number is not divisible by 8 like 561? This part I'm going to cover in live classes. Okay. You start joining live class. I'm going to teach you each and everything here. Okay, Garvit. Fine. So if anyone is copying, you can copy it or else I'll just erase this. I'll give you 1 minute time. Please copy it soon. Shall I clear the screen? Copy it, everyone? Shall I clear this? Okay, thank you. See, I have just whatever I taught you have written in this form. You can just read it. You just go through it. You will understand it in a better way. Okay. Yeah, Kirti Jain, tell me what's your doubt? Okay. Can you please try this? Solving these questions. Okay, I'll teach you even this, Garvit. You can just have a look. Garvit, you asked me some doubt, right? If it is not divisible by 8, what I have to do? Correct? So you are going to divide it by 8. You will get some point in it, right? You have to shift that point. Try solving these questions. $567 into 125. Which one? Yeah, I'll teach you. First, just try solving this question. I didn't show you the answer screen, dear. This is the questions. Please solve all the answers at a time and please send me by writing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this. Oh, sorry, I didn't notice. Let me know if anyone facing the issue. Others, you cross-check your answer. Your second answer is wrong. Anushka, same thing. Anushka, your answer is right. Others, you cross-check here. Please don't use your calculators. Use your brain instead. Sanskriti, cross-check your answer. Is everyone clear with this concept or any doubts? $567 into 125. Someone asked me this doubt, right? So you are going to multiply this by 1000. So if you are going to multiply this by 1000, it will become an even number, correct? So after that, you just divide it by 8. You will get the answer. Okay. Very good. Everyone are attempting. Good. Okay, is everyone done? Shall I reveal the answers? Because we need to learn a lot more, right? See, these are the answers. Please cross check your answers with the answers you got. Cross check your answers. Done? It will come by practice, size, Abhyukta. Good, Anushka. Very good. Very good, Utpal. Very nice. Fine. If everyone are perfect in this, we'll go to the next trick. Done? Shall we move to the next one? Okay. See, I am going to teach you in this red board. Okay. So, for example, let me take one example. If you have a number like this, into 1, 2, 3, 4. So is it possible for you to solve within minutes or seconds? No? Yeah, Kirti Jain, your answer is right. No? Okay, I'm going to teach you that trick, but not in detail. You just have a look. What I'm doing, first step, step 1, I'm taking this number, okay, multiplicand, and subtracting it with 1. So what is the number I'll get? 5, 6, 4, 2. This is my first part of the answer. Okay. Now I'm going to do the second part. How I'm going to do? I'm going to subtract. I'm using one formula, Vedic Maths Sutra called all from 9 and last from 10 over here. Okay. If I use this sutra, let me explain you what is this sutra first. See, whatever, this sutra is mainly useful while doing subtraction. Okay. See, first what you are going to do, this is your last digit. I'm going to subtract it by 10. Rest all digits, I'm going to subtract it by 9. Okay. I'll start from here. 9 minus 5 is how much? 4. 9 minus 6 is how much? 3. Correct? 9 minus 4, 5. 10 minus 3, how much? 7. Correct? So my answer is 5, 6, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7. That is my final answer. You can solve this within seconds. I'll teach you again. Yeah, see? So this is the question I have given, correct? 5643 into 9999. So I'm going to use one sutra called all from 9 and last from 10. Okay. We call this as Nikilam Sutra also. So you just have a look. I'm going to write the first part of the answer by just subtracting the original number, the multiplicand by 1. So I'll get 5, 6, 4, 2, right? After writing this, I'm going to use that sutra on this 5643. So if I use that according to the sutra, the last number should be subtracted by 10 And rest all numbers, you need to subtract it by 9. So 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 6 is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 3 is 7. So the final answer is 5, 6, 4, 2, 4, 3, 5, 7. This is how we are going to use this sutra. Is that clear? So this trick will work only when you are multiplying a number with a series of 9. 999, 9,999 or 9,999. Okay. Why we subtract it from 10 and 9? That is the Vedic Maths Sutra that you need to apply on it here. Even why we are subtracting 1 in step 1. Even that is a Vedic Maths Sutra, that is a first Sutra, Ekadikena Purvena. That all the sutras you will understand in live classes. Okay. Now, as of now, you just remember whatever the number they have given, you need to subtract it by 1. Then you are going to use all from 9 and last from 1. You are going to use two formulas in it here. See here, whatever you have given the example, Armandev, here you have what? Not equal number of digits, right? You have unequal number of digits. First of all, you have to make it equal number of digits. Then you are going to apply this sutra. Okay. Let me give you some problems based on this. Please solve it. Let's see. Solve this. Please give me all the answers at a time. Don't give one answer one time. Okay. This is first one. This is your second one. This is your third one. And this is your fourth one. Okay. Please put it in the chat box like this. First answer. Then second answer. It is easy for me to look into it, right? Third answer. Fourth answer. Good read. Good, Garvit. Good. I hope everyone has understood this trick. Any doubts in this? Any doubts? Good, dear. If you have not copied, it is very good. I didn't tell you that you have copied. Anushka, nothing like that. Whatever, if you are going to multiply it with in series of 9, you have to subtract the number by 1. Very good. I can see many of you are giving correct answers. Awesome. Very fast learners. Awesome. Very good. 2 digit with 99. Okay, let me teach you that. Very easy. Just have a look. 43 into 99, right? What is the first step did I told you? You are going to subtract the multiplicand by 1, right? So if you subtract 43 by 1, you are going to get 42. Now you are going to apply that all from 9 and last from 1 sutra over here. Okay. So this is your last number. You are going to subtract it by 10. Rest all numbers you are going to subtract it by 9. 9 minus 4 is 5. 10 minus 3 is how much? 7, right? So this is how you are going to solve this. Is it clear? Sanskriti, you cross-check your second answer, dear. You have given me 42957. It is not the correct one. Okay. Anushka, you can put it in the chat box, dear. Whatever you have questions, you can put it in the chat box. So since this is a demo session, you can't unmute, dear. You can unmute and speak to me. You can ask any questions in the live classes. I'm going to answer each and every question, okay? It's long to type. You start typing now. Maybe within a minute, you will complete typing it. Yes, very good. So shall we move to the next trick? Is everyone ready to learn? Yes or no? I don't know. I'm not able to see your faces. I'm not understanding whether you people are interested or not. Yes? Okay, very good. Shall I clear the screen? Ariman, you cross-check your first answer, dear. What is that? Your problem is solved. Wow, very nice, Anushka. I'll just clear my drawings. I hope everyone has copied this, right? Okay. I'm going to teach you one more trick. Important trick. Have a look. So I'm going to teach you how to multiplication with numbers from 21 to 91. So in this class, in this demo class, I'm going to teach you this. So if you have understood this well, you can solve the others by yourself. Okay. I want everyone to concentrate over here. Is everyone ready? Yes or no? Good. Thank you, dear. Fine. So if I want to multiply 322 by 21. So if I do normal multiplication, I know it will take at least more than 2 minutes or 1 minute. Okay. So I'm going to teach you how to do it in seconds. Just have a look. It will come by practice. Okay. So first thing what you have to do, you have to sandwich this 322 with zeros. So you can ask me, what is that, ma'am? See, you can write 0 over here and 0 over here. Okay. Now, see, you are going to multiply by 2 from right to left. This is your right hand side. This is your left hand side. So you are going to start multiplying by 2 each and every digit, and you are going to add it with the corresponding digit. I'll teach you how. See, the first step is I'm going to multiply 0, that is right hand side 0 by 2. I'll get 0 for that 0, what I am doing, I am adding the next previous number, that is 0 plus 2. So I'll get 2. Okay. Now coming to the next number. Here my next number is 2, right? Yes or no? The next number is 2. So what I am doing now? 2. Okay. I'm multiplying by 2. I'll get 4. Okay. For that 4, again I'm adding 2. I have one more 2 over here, right? Plus 2. I'll get 6. Right? Next, coming to the next number. What is the next number? 0 is over, 2 is over. Again, I have 2. I'm going to multiply by 2. I'll get 4 plus next number is 3. So I'm going to add 3 over here. Sub. Right? Is this clear? Is everyone understanding this? Yes or no? Okay. Next, what happens? What is the next number? 3. I'm going to multiply it by 2. I'll get 6. Then plus, I have one more number called 0. That is 6. So, I'm going to write the answer in this way. Down to up. Okay. So, my answer would be 6, 7, 6, 2. Is this clear? How to write? How to use this method? Okay, this is the case 1. Because in this case, you got all single digits, right? For instance, if you get a double digit, how you are going to solve? Yeah, I'm going to explain it again, Amit. You just have a look. Can you see my spotlight? Yes? Okay. This is my last number. What I'm doing, I'm just taking the number. I'm sandwiching that number with zeros. Okay, that is your first step. After sandwiching it with zeros, I'll start multiplying and adding from my right hand side. So this is my right hand side value. So I have 0. I'm multiplying with 2. Okay. Again, I'm adding with 2. Okay. 0 into 2. So here I have 2. So I'm adding it with 2. So I got 2. That is my first one. First. Okay. Next, I have 2 over here. What is the step? I need to continue the same step until the last number. I'm multiplying it with 2. So I'll get 4. Then plus 2, 6. Again 2. I have to multiply with 2. 4 plus 3. I got 7. Again 3. I have to multiply with 2. And I have to add it with 0. So 6 plus 0 is 6. This is how you will get the answer. Is it clear? Or do you want me to explain it again? You can take this screenshot. Yeah, do it. Yeah, you can take this screenshot. I'll show you, dear. Don't worry. Okay. Can you do it again? Okay. Fine. Let me take one more. Okay. So I'm going to take one number called 348, 3482. I'll take. What is 342, 380 into 21. Okay. So first step is I'm going to append this number with zeros. 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay. And I'm writing 0 over here. So I have to start my calculation from the right hand side. That is multiplication by 2 and adding to the corresponding digit. Okay. These are the two things I'm following for each and every number. Right? So what I'm doing? So 0 I'm taking. I'm multiplying it by 2. So I'll get 0. For that 0, I'm adding the corresponding number 3. I'll get 3. Right? Now I'm taking the next number 3 and I'm multiplying it with 2. I'll get 6. For that, I'm adding 2. So I'll get 8, right? So next number, this 0 is over, 3 is over. You can just cross check over here. 0 is over, 3 is over. Next to 2, right? 2 into 2, that is equal to 4. I'm adding it with, you can see the next number over here, that is 4. I'll be getting 8, right? Next number. So 0 is over, 3 is over, 2 is over. Next 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. I'm adding this 8 with 3, correct? So here I'll get 11, correct? Next you come to 3. 3 into 2 is equal to 6. For that 6, I'm going to add 0. I'll get 6. Now, see, now you can see over here. So here you will not get 6 because here you have 11, right? So you will be having a carry over here. This is a double digit number. So I'm keeping 1 over here and I'm sending the other one towards this side. So this 6 will be added to 1. 6 plus 1 will become 7. Is it clear? If you have a double digit, you have to take a carry forward. Yes or no? So the final answer would be 7, 1, 8, 8, 3. Okay. Yeah, it is same for 31 as well, where you are going to multiply it by 3, not 2. Since it is 21, here you are going to multiply it by 2. But in case of 31, you are going to multiply it by 3. So 41, you have to multiply with 4, rest is same, correct? Is this clear? Yes or no? Now you are going to, I'm going to give you a challenge. Yeah, 91 also same. You are going to solve some problems. I'm going to share. Let me clear this. Is anyone copying this? Shall I clear it? You may think the normal calculation is faster, but when you start using this trick, when you are looking at this, you will start calculating all these things mentally and you are going to tell the answer within seconds. In Vedic Maths, everything will comes by practice, dear. Okay, let me clear this. Yeah. This is the steps. Just now I taught you. Okay. If you are taking this screenshot, you can take it and you can keep it. Done? Yeah. Can you please try these questions? Let's see who is going to answer me. Yeah, you can do this also, Arman. In order to solve this particular question, in Vedic Maths, you have more number of tricks. Whichever you feel easy, you can use. It is not compulsory that you have to use only this trick. Okay. Okay, dear, you can leave. Please solve these questions. Okay. Nice attempt. Let's see who is right. Very good, Samyukta. Samyukta, are you using Vedic Maths text or calculator? I want a true answer. Vedic Maths text, very good. Any doubts? How was the session? Boring? Interesting. Please explain question 2. Okay. So I'll tell you in brief here. You just have a look. You are going to append that 0 like this. 0, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0. Okay. Here in this case, what you are doing, since it is 91, you are going to multiply this 0 with 9 and you are going to add it with 4. If you get a double digit, suppose, okay? If you get a double digit, you are keeping your right hand side number as an answer and your left hand side number, you are take it to your left hand side as a carry forward. Okay, Garvet? Did you got the idea how to do? Yes, dear, 43 into 999 you can solve, but you have to make both the sides of the digits equal. 43, you have 2 digits, 999 is digits, right? You have to make both the things 3 digits, then you can use this trick. Okay. So I hope you have learned some things with me. Okay. So these are the solutions you can cross check with the solutions which you have got. So thank you so much, students. It's pleasure for me to teach you all. Okay, Rajan sir.
Hello. Yes, ma'am. So students, how was the session? You can tell us in the chat box. Do you like it?
Yes, Garvit, you have tricks even for this.
Please still answer one.
This one, solutions.
Yes, I love the session. Thank you. This session is very interesting and informative. Okay, thank you. Very nice session. Learned a lot. Okay. So, students,
Which
I'm
answer you want, Kirti? I don't know which solutions you are asking.
okay, students. I have shared some links in the chat box. Okay, you can just copy and save the links. So this link will help you to join the classes, live classes. Okay. And now Supriya ma'am will meet you in the live classes. So thank you, Supriya ma'am, for the wonderful session. Thank you, students, for joining
Thank
today.
you, sir.
Okay. Now we will meet you in the live classes. Thank you, everyone. Bye.
Thank you. Thank you.